Okay. What are the prerequisites for new GL accounting? What are the prerequisites of new GL accounting in the sense? So first of all, first step, we need to maintain a controlling area. Okay. And after that, we need to maintain a profit center standard hierarchy. Next one, we need to maintain a fiscal year variant. Already we maintained a fiscal year variant, but okay, we will generate a different sort of reports. For example, my company is in India, then I need to generate local GAAP reporting. We need to generate a local GAAP reporting. And according to international level, we need to generate IFRS reporting. And my company is there in US GAAP and global reporting I want, then we want US GAAP reporting. Right? My company code is there, for example, in India and as well as in US. Then I need to go for US GAAP reporting. So normally US follows their financial year or a fiscal year from Jan to December. Jan to December, already we discussed. So here we need to maintain a separate fiscal year variant for Jan to December. Already we are maintaining April to March because our company is in India. Clear? Next one, maintain posting period variant. So when we are maintaining a separate posting fiscal year, Jan to December, then again we need to maintain a separate posting period variant for Jan to December. What purpose we need to maintain this? For US GAAP reporting. So we are going to discuss about what exactly the local GAAP reporting, Indian GAAP reporting, and as well as IFRS standards we are going to discuss, and US GAAP reporting we are going to discuss. So local GAAP in the sense, what does it mean? Here, wherever the company, it doesn't mean always Indian GAAP reporting. Clear? It could be according to your company code reporting. If you are in Singapore, then local GAAP will become Singapore GAAP reporting. Australia, Australian GAAP reporting. Canada, Canadian GAAP reporting. So the local GAAP, I'm saying, local reporting means as per your company codes are there. According to that, whatever reporting we will generate, that reporting we call it as a local GAAP reporting. Okay. Any questions still here?
Naveen, one question.
Please go ahead.
Naveen, this new GL formula, na?
Yes.
For example, my requirement is that I want the reporting at company code level. Then through GL debiting, crediting, I can get that.
Yes.
Okay? When it comes to profit center, we can get product wise or business area wise.
Correct.
Segment means I think this is the reporting of IFRS requirement.
No. See, again, no. Don't get confused. What is a business area in the sense? See, these two are similar, as I said earlier also. Business area and segment are same, actually. Okay. What is business area in the sense? This is an old concept. Business area concept was old concept. In the when I said 2019 to 20 or 2018 to 20, majority companies were not using this business area. Business area is the old concept. So now the companies, whatever projects I saw from 2021 till today, they are using both. Clients are using both. They want business area and segment. So some companies, what they want is business area. They want as per area wise. Means they want to generate reports as per area wise, like branch wise. For example, if I take Bajaj Electronics or any product or range, right? So I'm having in Hyderabad, if I take in Hyderabad, if I take, I'm having a different branches, right? So I would like to generate each branch report area wise. Then the clients are using business area. Segment wise in the sense, nothing but product wise. Is that clear? So for example, Bajaj Electronics, if I'm taking same Reliance or Reliance Trends or Reliance, whatever you call digital, they will have a segment of products, right? Color televisions. So they are going to divide into a segment. Means they want to divide product wise reporting. They want area wise reporting, right? So business area, this business area, whenever we generate a business area report, so separately we need to generate a business area report. But whenever we generate a profit center reporting, then automatically segment report will also fetch. Means segment will be linked to profit center. That we will see in the next sessions. Means segment will be interlinked to profit center. This is clear. So either segment you can have area wise or product wise or any other requirement if client is having. Okay, so here what I'm doing is in real time, whatever clients we are looking at, so mostly they will go with the business area as per area wise, branch wise, right? And segment, they will go with the product wise. Is this clear? So in business area also, we can have an area wise again separately. We can have a product wise also, we can create it. But that will fetch into client into confusion. Land again confusion. They will land it into confusion part. So that's the reason we advise the client whenever real time, whenever we visit the client. So client will ask, he doesn't in Oracle Financials or any Tally or any other accounting software, we don't have this business area and segment concept. So whenever we visit to client place, so these two concepts are new for him. So we need to explain them. What is the difference between business area and what is the difference between a segment, right? So earlier, again, 2018 to 2021, the clients were not using whatever projects in business area. But again, they came back. We need both the reports separately, business area separately and segment separately. Is that clear?
Yes, Naveen.
Hope I have answered your question.
Sir, एक छोटा डॉट वो तो
सर प्लीज.
हेलो सर.
या प्लीज
सर तो अब अपन बिजनेस एरिया वी कैन यूज फॉर प्रोडक्ट आल्सो एंड
anything you can use it,
and profit center also we can use for business area and product wise.
Not profit center, segment. Profit center is something different. We will discuss that.
Okay sir.
Okay. Yeah. So here
Sir, just a
sorry.
Sir, just a question related to the same thing. Normally, when certain companies run the Power BI reports and they also come with a report depending on the branch and based on the product specifically, does those reports which comes from the SAP level?
Exactly. See, SAP interfaces. See, that is the beauty of SAP. SAP can interface any third-party applications. Right? Your Power BI or Tableau or whatever other, this Excel, even Excel also. So that can be interface. SAP can interface any sort of third-party applications. So whatever reports you want to present to your client, see, if I show them into SAP, probably your client may not understand. So for that particular purpose, we will send that interface to Tableau or Power BI or whatever Excel. So we will send them, and that presentation we will present to our clients. But like that, whenever the new GL concept came into the picture, right? So we can generate more than 2,000 standard reports. Means standard presentations you can submit as per your client requirement. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next one. So here, again, currencies. So again, what is this prerequisite? So first we need to have a local currency. That is nothing but your company code currency. Local currency is nothing but your company code currency. So which will be in whatever. Here we took company code example as an Indian company code. So INR. Hard currency. So that is nothing but your group currency, right? So here hard currency, country level, USD I have taken, right? Global currency. So my company is, even though I am having a company code in USD, but my major corporate office, my corporate office in India, my corporate office is in India. Clear? So I want everything at the end, group reporting, I want to submit in Indian reporting. Then I would like to go for INR. Clear? Global currency, group currency. Fine. Next one. We have a controlling area. Controlling area is nothing but at the end, everything reports want, client want controlling area reporting. This is high. Earlier, the controlling area was in, as we know that we have two modules, FI module and a CO module. Clear? This controlling area was in CO module earlier, right? From ECC 6 version onwards, they have moved from, because why? Because the client want earlier, when it was into controlling area was in CO module. That is nothing but controlling module. We used to generate only these kind of reporting in FI module. In financial accounting, we used to generate only this reporting. But client want these kind of multi-dimensional reporting. So whenever the client demanded for multi-dimensional reporting, then SAP in ECC 6 version onwards, they have moved the controlling area. The controlling means 10%. In CO area, out of 100% of CO module, they have moved 10% of controlling area part from CO to FI module, CO to financial controlling costing module to your financial accounting module. Is that clear? So then this particular reporting is possible because of this. Clear? Once the controlling area has moved, again, I'll show you that in practical part. Okay. So here the controlling, the most important concept, what is your interview questions, right? What they are expecting from you is you need to have a knowledge on controlling area equals to what? Two methodology we can maintain controlling area. One is to N methodology, and controlling area 1:1 methodology. This is very, very important. What do you mean by 1:N methodology? What do you mean by 1:1 methodology? For example, controlling area, I'm having one controlling area and I'm having a number of company codes. Clear? So these company codes, all the member company codes are using only one controlling area. If we have a 10 company codes, 10 member company codes. Clear? 10 member company codes, and we are using only one controlling area for all the company codes. Then that is called 1:1 methodology. One controlling area, and that is linked to all the company codes, member company codes. Then that is considered as an 1:N methodology. 1:N methodology. And same time, so what is the condition if I want to? So what is the advantage if I'm having 1:N methodology? In the sense, the first thumb rule is intercompany transactions or cross-company code transactions or cost can be transferred from all the member company codes if it's required. Means intercompany transactions or company code transactions are possible when we follow 1:N methodology. So, but still, why we need to do intercompany transactions? Why can't we make intercompany transactions or also third-party transactions? Right? So, however, we will buy from third parties. We will sell to third parties in the same way. Instead of maintaining intercompany, why can't we make it intercompany? As I said, that company code 1, company code 2, company code 3, I'm taking. So I'm doing a transactions between company code 1 to company code 2, company code 2, company code 3, and vice versa. Okay, then what is the advantage? What is the need of intercompany? Means, so this majority companies will follow their controlling major, I'm saying not all, major companies, majority companies will follow their controlling area as 1:N methodology. So that if they do intercompany transactions, then probably you need not to do any tax filing for these intercompany transactions like third party purchase or sale or receipt and payments. So costing can be transferred. So if it is a third party, then we can't do the cost to transfer from one company code to another company code. Clear? But if I want 1:N methodology, controlling area, because there is a lot of benefits with the controlling area, right? Then at that particular point of time, what is the precondition is nothing but each company code should follow common chart of accounts. And same time, they need to maintain common fiscal year. Means one company code is maintaining April to March, then other two company codes also follow the same common fiscal year variant. Okay. First thumb rule, they need to follow common chart of accounts, right? Then only this 1:N methodology is possible, and they need to maintain a common fiscal year. Then only 1:N methodology is possible. But the currencies may be different. The currencies can be different. Then only the currencies may be same or can be different. That is not an issue. But what are the two things should be common? One is chart of accounts. Another one is fiscal year. Means if I'm following Jan to December in one company code, then other company code should also follow Jan to December. And 3 company codes are following April to March, and other 7 company codes are following Jan to December, then 1:n methodology is not possible. So when 1:n methodology is possible only for 3 company codes, and 1:n methodology is possible for the rest of the 7 company codes. But company code 1, company code 2, company code 3 are using same common chart of account, same fiscal year variant, right? And company code 4 to 10 are using different one. Then the transactions are not possible between company code 1 to 3 to company code 4 to 10. So if transactions we are doing, then that will become a third-party transactions, not an intercompany transactions. Is that clear? 1:1 methodology is nothing but one company code will have a one controlling area. One company code will have a one controlling area. So each company code, if we are maintaining a separate controlling area, then we call it as a 1:1 methodology. So what is the disadvantage with 1:1 methodology? So here, if you are following 1:1 methodology, intercompany transactions are not possible. Cross-company code transactions are not possible. See why I am using the 2 terms, intercompany and cross-company. In Europe, most of the European region, they call it as an intercompany. And most of the US states, they'll call it as a cross-company. So it's one and the same. Again, I'm reiterating. Okay. And here, when we follow 1:1 methodology, costing, cross-company code costing is not possible. We can't transfer. Okay. So already we have created this. Our client is 800, as I said that, your client. So this is a structure. This is a structure. Client, operating concern, right? Controlling area. Operating concern, as I said that, we are going to, this is still in controlling module only, advanced controlling. As we are going to do, we are going to do 2 methods in controlling CO module. One is CO controlling, controlling module and CO module and advanced controlling module. So this is nothing but your COPA, nothing but. Okay, we are going to discuss about profitability, cost and profitability analysis in controlling module. That is the major important module actually. Because across the globe, we can get FI consultant maximum, CO consultant, we have a shortage, but advanced COPA consultants, we have a hardly we can count on finger across the globe. I'm telling you, across the globe, COPA cost controlling consultants are very, there is a scarcity. I can say that. So that is the reason we will focus more on that COPA part. Hope it's clear. People feel that it's a challenging one. Understanding the controlling module and as well understanding the controlling module itself is, people feel that it's a tough, challenging one. And advanced controlling module, people feel that it's not our cup of tea. But I am reminding you, the controlling module and advanced controlling module are more easier than your FI module. More easier than FI module. Because that cost sheets and everything will be on a fingertips. So that's the reason we are going to do that costing module in depth. In depth in the sense 20% is enough to do that, if to understand controlling module and as well as advanced controlling module. Okay. So this particular operating concern part we are going to discuss in advanced controlling module. Advanced controlling module. Because this is a feature of advanced controlling. Okay. And we are going to discuss now controlling area. Okay. So this is the structure. As already I think we have written it. As I said that my client is 800 client and my operating concern is AOCN and this is my chart of accounts. Sorry. This is my controlling area. Adhani controlling area. And I'm having a 3 different company code. Okay. AI01, AI02 and AU01. So I am following 1:n methodology. 1:n methodology. So here chart of accounts, I have created it as an Adani operating chart of accounts, right? And I am using for all the 3 company codes, same chart of accounts and same fiscal year variant, that is Jan to December, right? And here currencies are different. Company code currencies. These two are Indian companies and this is US company. So in Indian company, we are using the currencies are INR, and US company, we are using the company local currency as in USD. So as I said that the thumb rule, what is the thumb rule? The chart of account should be the same. Fiscal year should be the same, but the currencies may be different. Is this clear? Any questions here? Any questions here?
No questions.
Okay. So we will see, write down, maintain controlling area. First configuration step, put a heading as in controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Write down the path. SPRO. This is the path. Just write it down as it is. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Definition. Controlling. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code. Transaction code. Transaction code OX06. OX06. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition. So because we are defining now, the controlling area. So maintain controlling area, transaction code OX06. I'll show in SAP also, in the SAP screen. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG. Okay. Enterprise. Enterprise structure. Definition. See here. As I said that this particular controlling area was earlier in, still only 10% is moved, not completely. Controlling area also. So that is the reason, sorry, controlling area. So that is the reason this is our FI module. As you know that earlier we did this. Okay. Now we are moving to controlling module, CO module. Only for 10% we are going. So here we need to select controlling module. This is CO module. And these are other logistics modules like your MM, sales and distribution, logistics execution, plant maintenance, HRM, and other lot of different modules are there, logistics modules. So total 34 different logistics modules are there. So here select controlling. Next one, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. In this additional information, IMG active. So to activate transaction, you can see here OX06. OX06. OX06 controlling area. Okay, so click on maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. So just write down these three options. Write down these three options. I'll explain the other two later. Okay. So double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. So these two I'll explain later. Double click on maintain controlling area. Okay. Next, click on new entries, press new entries, press new entries, press new entries. So here we are creating. So here we need to give the controlling area name. So here I want to create ACOA. ACOA. So I'll just change it to Adani, right? Adani controlling area. Adani controlling area. Adani controlling area. So I'm giving ACOA, Adani controlling area. So select here. So controlling area, if it is 1:n methodology, we need to select controlling area same as company code. As I said earlier also, 1:1 methodology. But here we want to do cross company code cost accounting, means intercompany transactions. So we are following 1:n methodology. So select this. Okay. So here, company currency, we need to select group currency. I want a reporting at group currency, means whatever group reporting we want to generate, that we wanted. So select group currency 30. So it is taking INR. Okay. And chart of accounts, Adani operational chart of accounts, and select here A3. My chart of accounts are A3. And remaining, we need not to touch anything. So write down controlling area. We have taken ACOA. ACOA. Next one, cross company code cost accounting, currency, group currency. Okay. And chart of accounts, AOCA. So that is nothing but my chart of accounts, ledgers. Okay. The next A3. Fiscal year variant, we have given it as in Jan to December, name as an A3. Just write it down. Once you are done, let me know.
Naveen, one doubt.
Please go ahead.
It was V3 or A3? Naveen?
A3. V3 is a default standard one. We copy it according to our naming convention. A3 is nothing but A
It's
stands
coming
for
as
Adani.
Aditya, na? That's why I'm asking.
Sorry. Sorry, I didn't get you.
It's showing as Aditya April to March. That's what I'm asking you.
That's what I'm saying. This is not Aditya. If I press enter, I'll show you. This is actually somebody has changed this. 1 second. Same new entry. Just copy this. I'll show you. Click on position button. One second. We'll change it. See, actually, this person has taken same Aditya. Actually, what I am supposed to take, I'll change this also. So this is here. They have taken euro. I'll change here. Aditya to Adani. Okay, cross company code costing. Group currency, it's INR. Okay, Indian rupee, AOCA. So here I'm taking A3. You can see here. Okay. V3 is a standard SAP standard one. So according to our client name, we have started the letter A. So in real time, that could be anything. This naming convention will given by your project manager. Okay. Or from the client side manager will give these naming conventions, what they want actually. So for each and every batch, whatever company I'll take, according to that, I'll configure so that it's easy to remember. Is this clear? Any questions?
Naveen, from my side.
Yeah, please.
Naveen, this is the currency which you are giving 30, na?
Okay.
So what is the use of this currency like
See,
this?
group currency here. See, what is my, actually, I want to generate, what is my, where is my corporate office?
India.
India. So I have 3 different company codes. One is 2 are in India and one is in USD, correct? So
Yes.
whenever I want to consolidate report as per Indian this thing, then so that whatever USD company is there, that currency will also convert to INR currency, so that I can generate a consolidate report for Indian companies too and US companies. And the currency will be get converted into INR. USD currency will be converted into INR currency. Understood?
Naveen, can we maintain here company code currency?
Where no, we can. If we are maintaining company code currency in the sense, see, 2 company codes are there with INR, 1 company code there in USD. So here, if I take 2 company code INR currency in the sense, company code currency in the sense, what is the problem happens is we can't generate a consolidate report because US company report will generate separately and these 2 company codes currencies report will be generated separately. If I am having one more company code in Singapore, then that report will be generated separately. Right? But what is the main purpose? I want to check my Adani group is running in profit or loss. What is the position? When it is possible, when I can consolidate it. If I'm using company code currency or local currency, then what happens is, so the reports will be generated, whatever currencies are there, company code currencies, that will be separately, it will be get generated. However, by default, we can do that. By default, we can do that. Company code, local currency report, we can have it because as I said that we are going to see the reporting part. That is nothing but local GAAP reporting. However, we are going to see the reporting of IFRS. However, we are going to see the US GAAP reporting, local GAAP reporting, IFRS reporting, and US GAAP reporting. So if I give here local currency reporting, company code currency reporting, then if I am having 5 different companies, company codes in 5 different countries, then what is the problem? I can't consolidate it. The main purpose of any client is they need a consolidated report to check whether the group companies are, whether they are running in profit or loss, what is the position they want to check, whether clear at group purpose. See, how you will fix the Reliance share price? Individual company code you will fix or as per the group?
Individually.
No. Reliance Industries Limited, we will call it as an RIL. Share price. It's always international market. It would be always group only. Is that clear?
Okay, Naveen.
Yeah.
Naveen, but if we maintain here Indian currency, then only we can see the Indian cost reports in Indian currency.
It's not a INR. It's a group currency, I'm saying. Because it is taking INR in the sense, what is the Adani group of companies I have created under which group currency?
INR.
Indian currency.
INR, because Adani Group is an Indian company. So that's the reason we have created INR. For example, I would have created SAP, for example, SAP company. So that is in Germany. So if I created as an euro, right? SAP companies are there in across 180 countries. So if I create countries in the sense, but group reporting will be, if I say 30, then it will show it as an euro. Clear?
Yes, Naveen, got it.
That could be anything. For example, at corporate company, whatever corporate company you are creating, if it is in Germany or any European country, then it will 30 in the sense it will take according to that euro currency. And your local currencies are different, may different. You can, at the time of corporate company, whatever corporate company currency you are creating. Clear? So whenever I say 30, then that currency it will take. Fine.
Okay, Naveen.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Yeah, we used to do in OKKP also,
Yes,
maintain
yes, we can
control
do
area.
that. That I'll show you that. Again, I'm telling you. So in
What
two
is the
different
difference?
formats, we can do it.
We used to, why we have to do OX06 only?
Exactly. Okay. So click on save button. Click on save button. So we are in the same configuration. So click on OK button. So don't get confused with the group currencies and hard currencies because we have complete this thing. Okay. So write down next step.
Naveen.
Sir, one question.
Sorry, please go ahead.
Go.
Yeah, Naveen, Hitesh.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, when I'm doing in my SAP, the
It's
things
SAP,
that you
not SAP.
yeah, your SAP. So like it's showing red to me. Like I'm putting currency INR, it's not reflecting like
So
your
what you
screen
will
is.
do? You know, 1 second. Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm saying when I'm doing like in my SAP,
Yeah.
I'm putting like
Hitesh, tomorrow, can you please share the screen when you log in? You will log in 5 minutes before, right? Just show me before that, before class, so that I can explain that.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question. I forgot. Where is the hard currency set up in the client level, and so
Which
as
one?
a group
Which one?
currency as well too?
Which one?
The hard currency and
Yeah, that would
group
be at client
currency
level.
are
Hard currency would be at client level.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Next one. So we have created now our controlling area is ACOA. Our controlling area is ACOA. So whatever controlling area we have created, now we need to assign to company codes. So because we are following 1:n methodology and we have a 3 different company codes, correct? So we need to assign these 3 to our company codes. Write down next one, assignment. Next step. Okay. Assign company code to controlling area or company codes. Assign company code to controlling area. Write down the path. Same path, same as above. Sorry, same as above till enterprise structure. Till enterprise structure. From there, select assignment. From there, select assignment. Controlling. Controlling. Next, assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. OX transaction code OX19. 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 Okay. Click on save button. Press back. Press back. Yes. Okay. So here we are in assignment part. So here we are defining here. So here we need to select. So till enterprise structure, the path is same. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. So here we have created the controlling area. Now, whatever created controlling area, we need to link it to integrate to our company codes. So here assignment, controlling. No, you can see here. Assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. OX19. OX19. Click on execute button. So here, next one. So here it's not new entries because already we have created controlling area. So click on position button. Click on position button. Click on position button. ACOA. Click on ACOA. Click on position button. Click on position button. Click on position button and say, okay, ACOA, give ACOA. Select ACOA. Select ACOA. Okay, select ACOA. I'm sorry. Click on ACOA. Double click on assignment of company codes. Assignment of company codes. So here, AU01. I'll just remove this. Okay, new entries. New entries. New entries. So here, already two company codes are already assigned. So I'll give AU01, right? What is our company code? AU01. Adani Steels. Okay, like that, you need to give AI01, AI02. Okay. Yeah, whatever company codes are there, so all those company codes we can give. So what happens? The company codes will be integrated with your controlling area. Just write it down. Because other two company codes are already added here. So I'll show you all together. Save. So press back button.
Did you add it before or did I miss a step?
No, actually, because the configuration you can see here. Adani AI01, AI02, AU01. So press new entries.
Yeah,
You need to give company codes
you added this
AI01,
before.
AI02, and AU01. That's it. And press enter.
So were these added before? So were these added before?
Error in the sense, actually, this was used by these, actually ACOA was used by some other person. So I have changed the configuration of that particular person because our configuration, I would like to show you with the same naming convention. Clear? So that was not an issue. You won't face that issue in your server.
Perfect.
Okay. So what we need to give, press new entries. Then you need to give the company codes AI01, AI02, and whatever company codes. You are not going to follow the same, but you need to give your company codes here and press enter. Automatically, that will be linked to your company code. Okay. Click on first initially position button. Give your controlling area. Once controlling area is given, then double click on assignment of company codes. And after that, it will show you the blank company code. Then give the company codes, whatever company codes. Write down the note here. Write down one note here. One company code. Write down the note. One company code. One company code can be assigned to. One company code can be assigned to. One company code can be assigned to. Can be assigned to only one controlling area. Only one controlling area. Full stop and continue. But one controlling area may have multiple company codes. Multiple company codes. Understood this term? How many controlling areas we can have for one company code? Can we have a multiple controlling areas for one company code?
No, only one.
No, only one controlling area. But one controlling area may have any number of company codes. That can have 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 100. Any number of company codes. So again, same thing. The interview point of view question. So can I have multiple controlling areas for one company code? Okay. Same time, they ask one more. Can we have multiple company codes for one controlling area? So there will be a little confusion. People will say that one company code have a multiple controlling areas. People may say yes. And one controlling area may have multiple company codes. Then the people may say that no. So this confusion will be there always. So remember that one company code should have only one controlling area, not more than one controlling area. And same time, one controlling area may have one company code. So because this makes a cross-company code transactions possible, cross-company code costing possible, intercompany transactions possible if one controlling area having multiple company codes. It can have one company code or it can have multiple company codes. It's not mandatory that one controlling area have multiple company codes mandatory. No, it can have one company code or it can have multiple company codes. If it is having one company code, one controlling area is having only one company code and different company codes are in different controlling area, then which means that they are following 1:1 methodology. So what is the disadvantage with the 1:1 methodology? The cross-company code costing is not possible. Intercompany transactions are not possible. Is that clear?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah. So just write it down and click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Next one. I'll just give the navigation right now. And after that, tomorrow I'll show this configuration. Right? Write down. Activate components. Activate components. Activate components in controlling area. Activate components in controlling area. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Controlling. So here it will get changed, not enterprise structure. So directly we will enter into the module SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling. See, again, I said that advanced controlling and this one, general controlling. So this is nothing but a basic controlling, general controlling, general controlling, organization, organization. Next one, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area, transaction code, OKKP, OKKP, OKKP. Clear? Any questions? So tomorrow I'll show this components part. Tomorrow we will have a complete full-fledged 1 hour, 15 minute session. Tomorrow onwards. Any questions before? Just go through once the controlling area more part, because tomorrow we are going to see the important, this one, profit center hierarchy. We'll have a bit confusion in profit center hierarchy. So that's the reason. So till here, any questions?
So I have a bunch of questions actually.
Asked about OKKP, right? Somebody asked about OKKP. So tomorrow I'll show you the difference between OKKP and this one. OX06.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Naveen sir, just for FI module, how many, we are right now sitting at 37 occurrence. How many classes will be there just for FI?
FI module or this configuration part?
FI.
FI in the sense, see, we are going to do 3 different activities, business, right? First, we will understand the business process. The next, we are going to do the, what we call configuration. The next, we are going to do the testing. Means all the configurations are running perfectly or not. The testing part in real time also, you will do the same thing. right? And see, configuration is nothing but implementation project. Testing is nothing but whatever testing you're doing. So that will be there in implementation, and as well as there is a separate project called a testing project. Clear? And from there, we are going to do the different reports. So first we are going to discuss, as I said, business process we are going to discuss. And after that, we will do the configuration. And after that, we are going to do what we call testing, each and every part, minute to minute testing, in whatever integration testing or unit testing, right? So that we are going to see. And after that, various reports we are going to see. See, that's what. So here, the completion in the sense, nothing but lot of new things are added. Lot of last 20 days, lot of new things are added in this particular FI module. So that I am adding it. It will take 1 to 1.5 months from here. Hope you.
How many
If we cover,
approximate sessions,
if
sir?
we cover those new topics also, see, new topics also with the new generation of reports. Again, I'm telling you, we have a classical reports, we have a new reports, right? I would like to show you both the difference between the classic reports and new reporting part. Clear? If you don't cover the new GL accounting, hardly from here 1 month we can cover it. We can cover within a month without this new GL accounting. We can complete this one. We can, if we follow the classic, within a month we can complete the FI module without any integration. Because in FI module, we are covering, again, I'm telling you, we are covering the new GST. Earlier, we covered manual tax. For earlier batches, we used to cover manual taxation. But now, in this particular previous batch and your batch, we are covering the complete GST module. Means the complete automation tax module. That is newly added here in EHP 7 version. Hope you got my point.
Yes, sir. But I was just saying, what is the roughly approximate
Max
sessions?
1.5
Like,
to 2 months from here.
it'll be
From here. If you do.
Naveen, don't mind. Can you try to see now in this batch we are having, I think, 17 people. Okay, earlier
Yeah.
we are having 8 to 10 people and
Let me
6
stop the
people.
recording first of all.
Yeah,
Because
can you?